whether prior experience was there and that 10 marks is entitled, that is there. There is no doubt about it. Question is, these two things.
Why don't you all see? You all are filing so many applications, petitions, and everything. Get some order from the Supreme Court.
Yes. Yes.
Permits court to look into this issue.
That's the propriety.
This is the cause of action which was available to them in the month of August.
My petition, my cause of action was not available.
He sat for the examination keeping his eyes closed.
But the rule says that there is a possibility that the 10 marks has to be given at the preparation of the panel. In my challenge, whether the 10 marks are to be given to 2016 cabinet appointee,
it is on 26 November. This is the ground.
Bench to individual issues in the advertisement, right? Whether can be looked into by the High Court when the issue is pending before the Supreme Court.
At this juncture,
Just take
even an arbiter of division bench is binding on single bench.
you please get
Even
this type of orders. I am keeping it next week because 12th the matter is already fixed. In the meantime,
yes,
please.
on Monday.
This is the ground.
In the meantime, you try to get order from the High Court to get it done. No, will not.
082
I assure you that nothing is pending before the Supreme Court.
Obhijit Sadhuka, I just now got
See, all different names are coming.
difficulties. There are n number of matters. The only ploy of the petitioners are to come to your lordship's court at the last moment. They were of the rules. These rules were promulgated in the month of May 2025.
Somehow what they have failed to do directly, to do it indirectly to accommodate
completely beyond their reading. Beyond their reading.
What do they gain out of it?
That is, the gain is to stall the process.
What do they gain?
That is the only gain.
This is unfortunate.
That a commission is saying such thing, my lord. That means the commission, we are not equal to the commission.
This is with all due respect, this is a political statement.
They are also
This is not expected from a commission.
out of the whole
That
thing.
shows that commission is not treating us equally.
All the process, they failed.
Much shows.
The results are not declared. They
Visualize.
do not
The
know what
Supreme
their
Court has
position is.
directed us. Mr. Chatterjee produced orders. It says, yes, please.
that would be the
Best
I feel,
course of
my lord,
action.
that would be the best course of action. We get hold of all the SLPs, copies, and the orders.
Either keep
Otherwise,
keep it on
otherwise,
12
I'm not saying
or
that it
earlier.
doesn't have power. I say,
And whatever you all rely upon, please circulate with the petitioners so that they also get come prepared. Otherwise, again, John,
I will give.
there is a timeline within which things are to be done.
Correct.
Diary number
First, yes,
Instead of
has service of the cans been made to the commission?
I believe that this is not a application on 32 that they must bring the writ petition in which it was originally challenged instead of the SLP. But SLP, they cannot expand the scope of the writ petition. Therefore, they have to produce the writ petition. And the second issue, we do not want to jumble it.
Keep it on 10th and Monday even.
All that today.
They cannot come prepared.
Today, my simple prayer is the whatever issue pending is not so far at what stage this marks to be given is not pending for the Supreme Court. Now, today,
That's right.
today, they may publish the result or list of candidates. One line order is required from this court that whatever result they publish, that would be subject to the result of the petition.
We are opposing that.
Otherwise,
No, it goes without saying. Opposing the prayer.
this will not prejudice anybody.
That goes without saying.
Even if your lordship
Can always
Yes.
ask.
even if your lordship does not
See, from you, this type of submission is not no. It's all right.
he is making this submission. He is requesting.
He is.
May I point out only one sentence? I hold my
Round 8 and round 9.
but only one sentence apropos the interim order that is being prayed. But in the notification itself, employment notification itself, it was made clear that the participation is without intending to create any equity or right to any
Yes,
party.
it goes without saying.
That is not subject
That
to
is
the
all right. But that is the ultimate. That is the ultimate. Empanelment does not create any right. It's that type of thing.
Any thing is done today, because that can be undone, number one.
Yes, yes.
Won't create any right.
That is always subject to the
Yes,
result
always,
of the
always.
petition.
Yes, well, kindly record.
SLP office, kindly have a look at the ground.
Huh.
Look,
8 and 9.
Kindly have a look at the
8
ground.
and
Yesterday it was not there.
No, no, yesterday it was not.
Well, let that be considered man, on 12th.
I think we should reserve our energy for
How
12.
many cans have you supplied to Mr. Bandyopadhyay?
I have also not received the I have supplied to, except state.
He is appearing for the state.
State, right?
Then
The commission has not received any application.
he
Milord, the applications have also not been received by the commission.
Hey, commission has not received your application.
Only can 5 I find.
Yes, the lucky one. What about your can? Please serve.
State I will give. The commission has given.
No, commission has not got.
Can
What
one,
can-
can one.
Have the copy of the.
One thing, all pleadings and copies should also be served upon us.
Yes.
We are ready.
Lordship may pass exactly the same order.
Yesterday that was passed earlier.
He has received all.
I cannot hear you, sir.
I'm on behalf of the intervening applicants, my lord.
Again intervening applicant?
Yes, my lord. It is a can 4 of today's item number 2. I just want to indicate that, my lord, I am led by Dr. Maneka Guruswamy.
Yes.
She could not appear today, my lord, due to some difficulty. My lord heard yesterday the same application. I just want to indicate that, yes. I just want,
Appearance 12th it will be heard.
yes, my lord.
যে যে মামলাগুলো আর কি শুনানি হয়েছে না ক্যান স্কুলেও নম্বরগুলো কিন্তু দেবেন দিস ইজ আইটেম নাম্বারস 2 and 3 together. Heard submission made on behalf of the petitioners, comma the applicants, comma the state and the school service commission. The issue relates to the recruitment notification published by the School Education Department on 29th May 2025 for selection for appointment to the post of assistant teachers in junior high, secondary and higher secondary schools. Stop. Submission has been made by some of the applicants that the issue raised in the instant writ petition is pending consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop.
Lordship may use effectively pending.
The provisions of the rules, namely the West Bengal School Service Commission, bracket open, selection for appointment to the posts of assistant teachers for upper primary level of classes, bracket open, third bracket, except work education and physical education, third bracket close, comma, classes 9 and 10 and 10 and 12 and 11 and 12. Rules এর আগে bracket close, comma, 2025. Page number 79, এখানে রুলের নামটা আছে দেখে নেবেন, ডেট আছে। Stop. The learned advocates representing the petitioners denies the submission. Stop. It has been submitted that not a single writ petition challenging the above rules is pending consideration before the Supreme Court. Stop. The paragraph, the specific issue that has been raised today is questioning the stage at which the 10 marks allocated for prior teaching experience is to be awarded. Stop. Whether the same is to be awarded prior to preparation of the interview list
Preliminary interview.
or prior to the preparation of the merit list. Please find out whether there is any description of preliminary interview
Yes,
list.
eight itself.
No, not 8. The definitions are there.
No.
Definition whether preliminary
The rule
list is there.
11 mentions preliminary in
Where is it described?
Rule 8.
But it is
8.
described
Sub
as
rule 8.
interview list.
Interview list.
Interview.
The
list.
sub 11.8. 11.8.
Is it prior to interview or post?
It's 11.8.
Further
Mention.
issue that has been raised,
Under 11 rule 8 says. All right.